3, 2, 1, roll camera, action! Hello everyone, I am Ma'am Shomi and I welcome you once again to our channel Study English with Momita and Shomi. Kindly subscribe to our channel, like, share and comment, and also tap the bell icon to get all the notifications. This video, my dear students, is a fun video. Trust me, it's really interesting. I am having a lot of fun and I'm sure you will also enjoy it besides learning how to draft a poster. Let's not just limit ourselves to film posters or advertisement posters. A poster is a very useful means to create awareness about current social problems or needs and issues, or to even extend public invitations and write notices. Poster designing is a part of the short composition section of the CBSE syllabus. So let's learn how to draft a poster. Points to remember. A poster is designed to be put up at a public place. It must catch the reader's attention. Your poster must be attractive, creative, impressive as well as persuasive so as to influence a large number of people. Remember, the poster is read by the public from a distance. Use bold or capital letters. And to make it more appealing, use slogans, phrases, tagline and jingles also. Just have a look. Donate blood. Save girl child. Donate your eyes. Cigarette kills. Use them whenever it is needed. Safe drive. Save life. Every drop counts. Get vaccinated. Be a warrior. Plant trees. Protect planet. Well, wait, there is something more in store for you. In this video, I'll be solving for you two posters, one on coronavirus and another on a kid's carnival. So, let's not waste our time. There are two types of posters that may come in the examination. The event poster, which includes school fetes, book fairs, blood donation camp, vaccination camp, career counseling, workshops. Such a poster deals with events that are to take place. The second type of poster is a non-event poster, which deals with social issues, social evils, bad habits like child marriage, drug abuse, dowry, female infanticide, alcohol abuse and child labor. I am going to upload posters on these topics in the near future, so stay in touch and wait for us. How to draft a poster. Begin with a catchy title or slogan. Use graphics in the form of matchstick figures. This is optional, but my suggestion is draw. Draw simple sketches or drawings just like the ones I showed a little while ago. Date, time, venue must be mentioned if the poster is being drafted for an event. Write the name of the organization which has issued the poster. Also, write sponsored, issued by at the bottom. It has to be post-scripted at the bottom. Understood, students? So, remember the three key points. Layout, content and expression, because you will be marked on the basis of these three criteria. What is this layout? Your poster has to be visually attractive. As mentioned earlier as well, I'm repeating the same thing again and again, but I can't help it. Please keep these in mind. The title has to be suggestive or catchy. Use slogan, jingle, short verse, simple drawings, bullets, sketches are enough. Write letters of different size and shape. Proportionate spacing is equally important, therefore, plan beforehand. Do a little bit of planning. Let's see what is content. Content is the theme or subject. The description, the details associated with the theme have to be there mentioned clearly. Essential details like time, date, venue must be there for an event poster. And write down the name of the issuing authority or organization clearly and properly at the end. Expression. Your linguistic ability is very important. The way you use your phrases, your slogans and your language. Be persuasive and be convincing. Creativity in terms of content or design. That means you will have to be original. You will have to be creative. Okay, so best of luck for that. Overall organization and sequencing of the matter. Pay attention to this. And most important, observe word limit. Usually 50 words. Don't exceed the word limit, otherwise you may be penalized. The first question that I am going to solve is draft a poster on how to fight against coronavirus. Make people aware of the preventive measures. This is our topic. In the beginning, draw a box neatly with the help of a ruler. Draw another line at the bottom, make a section and divide it into two parts just like this. Then start writing the title. The title must be a catchy title. It must be a suggestive one. Use slogans or short phrases. War against Corona, Be a Warrior is my title and I wrote it in block letters. After that, use short phrases associated with the topic, associated with the theme. Break the chain, stop the spread. That is, stop the spread of coronavirus. This is a problem. And see how I am decorating it. I am just using shapes like simple clouds. Trust me, geometric shapes can do wonders. If you are at a loss, just use them. After that, I am writing follow the preventive measures, again associated with the topic, and after that I am underlining it. I am using bullets now. And what will I do? I will provide solutions to the problem. And my solutions in this case are stay at home, wash your hands, wear a mask, maintain social distance and vaccination. These are the preventive measures. So, use your common sense, your social awareness in order to get your points and draft a poster beautifully. Okay, and you must be original. Even if you use ordinary expressions and short phrases, you must be creative and original in your presentation. After that, write issued by in the section which we had made in the beginning. And this poster is issued by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. You may write the issuing agency according to the topic. In this case, it is the Government of India, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So, this is our basic poster. What is missing? Now, come on, guess. What is missing? Yes. In order to make the presentation more attractive and appealing, draw simple sketches, simple drawings. You do not need to be a Picasso or a painter in order to make your poster beautiful. Just use matchstick figures or simple drawings. What are these matchstick figures? Let me explain. A matchstick figure is a picture of a person drawn only with thin lines for the arms and legs, a circle for the head, etc. Use cartoons as well. See, our cartoon, our Humpty Dumpty wearing a mask. Then I have drawn a house, my home, with two people inside it. A hand, a soap, a sanitizer, two matchstick figures standing at a distance, a syringe and our vaccine. So easy, so simple and so creative. Lovely. So, a non-event poster must include details associated with the theme, effect of the problem, solution, any additional useful information. Our second poster is draft a poster on kids carnival. This is an event poster. Let's solve. Draw a box neatly and make a section at the bottom. Use a ruler. And in this section, you will write issued by or sponsored by and the name of the issuing agency. After that, I have started decorating the box. I have just used a simple shape, a simple cloud-like shape, and I am highlighting it with my pen. I am not using any sketch pen or color pencils. After that, I will write my title here, a catchy title, and the title is Kids Carnival. I've used letters of different shapes and sizes in order to write my title and subheading. And I am also drawing a simple smiley. I will highlight Kids Carnival, enjoy the fun later. After that, you will have to write date, time, venue. Date, time, venue have to be mentioned clearly in case of event posters. I'm writing the date 7 July to 10 July and the time 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. and the venue Bharati Bhavan, Kolkata. The Kids Carnival will take place at Bharati Bhavan, Kolkata. It's time to mention the important pieces of information, special features as well as other features related to the topic. What do children love? How will they enjoy themselves if they come to this Kids Carnival? What will the Kids Carnival offer to the children? The Kids Carnival, the event will offer a puppet show, a magic show, dance drawing contests, fancy dress, abacus, as well as art and craft sessions. I have used bullets and have also written this in block letters. Wow! Balloons, simple balloons loved by children. And inside the balloons, I will mention the special features of the event. The children will get attractive gifts. They will enjoy lucky draw and there will be food stalls as well. Lovely. Wow. The kids will love all these things. And see, again, I am highlighting it by using simple shapes and I will also decorate it by highlighting the lines. And then again a simple cloud shape. The shape of a cloud. It's very simple. Simple, simple, simple. And inside the cloud, I will mention a key point. Who will participate? Kids aged 5 to 12 years. After that, I will conclude the poster by giving two other features. The parents can easily send their children without any worries, without any tension, because the organizers have made provisions for CCTV surveillance and purified drinking water. So it will be a very safe event. All measures have been taken and the organizers are organized by Maharaja Club, Kolkata. So this is our event poster. See, this is the final product. Kids Carnival, enjoy the fun. And war against Corona, be a warrior. Lovely. See, I have some shapes for you. Use these shapes, use these ideas and you will do great. Hope you have enjoyed this video, my dear students, and in the future, I will upload for you many other such solved posters. So stay in touch, join us, stay fit, stay safe and bye.